Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to free up space on your Windows 11 PC by disabling something called reserved storage. If your storage is always getting full, this trick can give you a bit of extra breathing room without deleting your files. Let's dive in. So what is reserved storage? Windows 11 sets aside a chunk of your storage for system updates, temporary files, and apps. Normally it's helpful, but if you're low on space, it can feel like wasted storage. To get started, open Settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu or pressing the Windows key plus I, then go to System and click on Storage. In Storage, click on Show More Categories. Next, click on System and Reserved. Here you'll see how much space Windows has reserved, usually a few gigabytes. Mine is about 7 gigabytes. Before we start, there's one crucial thing to check. Open your Windows Update settings and make sure it's not in the middle of downloading or installing anything. If it is, let it finish completely. If you try to disable reserved storage while an update is running, the process will fail with an error. To disable reserved storage, we need to use the command line. Right-click on Start and select Windows Terminal Open as Administrator. If it asks for permission, click Yes. Now type this command and hit Enter. Running this command disables the feature instantly. An error typically means Windows Update is active. Cancel the updates or wait for them to complete, then rerun the command. To verify the reserved storage status, run the following command. It should say Disabled. To enable the reserved storage, just run this command. And that's it. You've successfully disabled reserved storage in Windows 11 and freed up some extra space. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more Windows tips, and leave a comment if you want me to show other ways to free up space fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.